Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have this backpack from Arcticfox which I got around 6 months back. So इसका मैं जो है full review करने वाला हूँ. So let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about this is the cosmonaut bag, as you can see. So here's the logo of the cosmonaut, and it's like a space type logo. There's stars and there's a shooting star over here, and there's an astronaut, and here it is written Cosmonaut. And in the downside you have this Arcticfox logo which has been scrapped. I don't know why. And Arcticfox logo has been given over here, as you can see. And then let's talk about all the chains that we have in this. You have one chain over here, 1 year, 1 year, and there's another one in the back side. So in total you have 5 chains, and one more chain is there inside this first compartment. So let me just show you the first chain, which is this one. As you can see, you have this kind of storage in this one, and you can keep your ID cards and stuff kind of those inside these. And then you have the second compartment. You have the second compartment which is pretty spacious, as you can see. It is pretty nice and spacious. You can keep your laptop or anything, or you can keep your water bottles. It's good for that. And then you have another chain, which is this one. The quality of the chains are all nice, and as you can see here, you can keep your wallets or pencil box or anything you want. You can fit it inside this. So let's talk about another chain, which is this one. So this is the third chain, which is for the books and stuff kind of those. As you can see, this is extremely spacious. You can keep your books easily. And there's another compartment, which is this one, where you can keep more books. As you can see, one for your textbook and one for your long notebooks. Long textbook, long notebooks can be easily fitted inside these, as you can see, which is because it is extremely spacious. You won't face any issue for storage, because they are extremely spacious. And एक और जो है यहाँ पे पीछे you get the strap. On the strap you get this logo, which is the Arcticfox iconic logo, as you can see. So it looks really nice. And then in the back you have this anti-theft lock, as you can see, where the chain goes inside this, so they won't be easily able to steal your stuff. And this is for the dustbin. You can keep stuff inside these or just use it as a dustbin. And also you get this medipack, which I'll show you in a bit. And as you can see guys, here you can keep your usual stuff, your sharpener or stuff kind of those, and अच्छे से आप यहाँ पे जो रख सकते हो. Here you can see I have kept the warranty cards and stuff kind of these. And you get a 1-year warranty from Arcticfox, so which is very nice. And then you get is a medikit, which is a very nice thing which you get. This is the medikit that you get. So let me just quickly show you what you get in the medikit. So as you can see, you get all these stuffs inside, which is a band-aid which you can use, and there's a antiseptic cream, 2 bandages, and 1 gauze swab, and one this, and another one is burn dressing, which is extremely nice initiative from Arcticfox, which adds up to the whole thing. And yes guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, so make sure to drop a like and also subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and families, whoever wants to buy a backpack. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye and peace out.